everyone, welcome back to another video. Or if you're new here, I'm Marion and here it's all about art, games and technology. Spring is finally here, guys. I wish you a very happy 1st of April. I feel it too. I have new energy. I've been practicing my art more. I've been setting new goals for improving my artwork and I'm sure you guys feel the same. I mean, any time of the year is perfect to work on your art, but especially at the beginning of each month, I feel this new surge of energy. For those of you who are like me and make the resolution to really work on your art this month, I want to support you. Now is the perfect time to start learning a new thing, because if you start now, at the end of this year, you will basically be a pro at it. Over the last few weeks, I've really thought about how I can support you guys and how I can answer all your frequently asked questions, especially about pen tablets, in an efficient and focused way. So I'm really excited to have the opportunity to send you over to Skillshare, where I just released my very first class on how to boost your productivity with a pen tablet. I'm going to show you the short introduction video I made over there for all the students who want to take the class. Hi everyone, welcome to this Skillshare class about how to boost your productivity with a pen tablet. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Marion and I have been working professionally as an artist for over 6 years now. Pen tablets are an incredibly useful tool, and when used correctly, they can boost your productivity and improve your artwork. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced artist, whether you're thinking about purchasing a tablet or already own one but aren't sure about how to use it, this class is absolutely perfect for you. If you're still not sure, I want to give you 3 reasons why using a pen tablet for your art is the right decision. Number 1, using a pen tablet is actually the industry standard for artists. So if you want to take your hobby to the next level and become a professional artist, learning how to use a tablet is really important for you. 2, working long hours on your art using a computer mouse can actually put an intense strain on your hand and give you pain in your fingers or your arm. A pen tablet can release the stress on the hand because it goes back to what a traditional medium feels like. 3, the most important reason why to use a pen tablet is that a computer mouse does not have the pressure levels that a tablet has. Let me explain it like this. A pen tablet can actually imitate traditional media like paintbrushes, like pencils, and therefore it can improve your art greatly when switching from a mouse to a tablet. That all said, a pen tablet is just a tool like any other. It will not magically make your art better. You still have to practice each and every day, but it can, when used correctly, boost your productivity and give you more freedom with your art. If you're interested, please subscribe to my class. Let's grab our pen and our tablets. Let's do this. To sign up for this class or any other of the awesome classes over at Skillshare, plus 2 free months of premium membership, just click on the link in the description box below.